What's up, guys? Today we caught Trinity another skink lizard.
And guys, we've got to go check out the gazebo with the nest with the mystery eggs. Guys, do you think they're still eggs or did they hatch?
All right, guys, we don't know what's in the nest, if it's eggs or birds, so let's go find out.
But first we gotta show you guys this lizard that we caught. Alright guys, so here is the skink that we just caught. Look at him, he's going crazy.
He's jumping crazy.
Hey little skink.
Are you okay? And he has an orange belly.
Look at that.
Whoa.
Whoa, hey, don't be jumping.
Shut up.
Don't be jumping. Wow! Alright guys, the girls have fun all the time catching snails and lizards and stuff. We never keep them, so girls get a look at them and then we let them go. But if you guys remember our video where we built this and we checked out the gazebo, there was a little bird nest up there with a bird. So today we have to go back up here and check it out. Alright, so do you guys remember when we saw the bird nest up there?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and see what's in there now. I don't see a mama bird, so we're gonna see what we caught at the nest. Alright guys, let's go ahead and look at this and see what we got. Alright girls, here we go. Watch,
Okay.
it's going up, going up.
Going up, we're going up.
Okay, oh, it's just a nest, there's nothing in there. Oh wait.
What?
What? What in the world is that, Madison? Do you see the little yellow beaks?
I think the other two might have hatched before it, and now the other ones are flying off with its mommy. I think the other ones have hatched before it. So the other ones have grown, and then now they're flying off with their mama.
Did you only see one?
Yeah.
It looked like a pile of fluff in there.
Yeah, I think mama has been bringing in like feathers.
Yeah.
Alright guys, Trin's ready to catch a skink. You ready, Trin? Okay, let's do it.
This guy is psycho, I'll tell you that much.
Psycho lizard.
Oh, psycho. You got the psycho. The psycho. Come here. You're a crazy psycho. No. Dude, I'm just trying to hold you. I know you're wild, but let me hold you.
Hey, I'm your friend.
I'm your friend too. Yeah, do you want to hold me? Because
Oh, you're my friend? Okay, you can hold me.
You want to hold?
Yeah, you're my friend.
He actually got on me. Ow. His claws are really sharp too, guys. I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Don't try this at home, huh, Trin?
No. This guy is psycho. He's like a little leopard. He's looking at me. But like faster. And
Trinity is a trained professional. Who trained you about lizards, Trin?
Coyote.
Coyote Peterson, yeah.
I almost had him. Let me try. I got him.
Oh,
Can I please try, Trin? Can I try?
Go ahead, Madison. You can try.
Madison.
Come here.
Come here.
You're a good little girl. Oh, I got him. He's
Oh,
giving him a chin rub.
A little chin rub.
Oh my goodness.
He's doing so good right now. Are you stuck under the rock here? You want me to help you? There.
Oh, maybe he just wanted Madison to hold him. Look at that.
Oh, no.
Okay, keep him down. Keep him down. We don't want him to jump out.
Here, put him on the rock. Put him on the rock. Put him on the rock.
Oh, wow.
Okay, look at her. She's holding it.
That was so fun.
Madison, that was so cool. Like, he wouldn't let Trin hold him, and then
I'm hugs.
he must love Madison, huh?
Hugs.
Yeah.
He's like huggy. Aww.
I think he's calmed down.
Trin just likes to give him the chin rubs.
Yeah, he's calmed down after chin rubs. Well, guys, we decided to just let him go because we want to let him go while it's still sunny out. So, Madison, Trin, let me go up here. Got him by his tail. There. Got him. Oh, keep him down in there.
Oh, okay, put your hand under him.
Put him down.
Here, all right, Trin, you pick him up and hold him until we get to the spot. Here, wait, let's show everybody. Oh my goodness, look at that guy. He is really
beautiful.
Yeah,
And
it's so
he's
pretty. Okay, let's take him to a spot. Look at, wait, I want to see the, here, put him out here in the sun. Okay, wait. Look, we got to show everyone how bright colored he is.
It's beautiful.
Look at that. He's so bright and pretty orange.
I really
huh?
want to keep him, but we can't.
Yeah.
guys. They're so
All right.
cute.
Okay, where are we gonna go let him go at, girls?
Let's go let him go by the palm trees.
By the palm trees? Okay.
And we'll see if Madison can actually pick him up, because he is really slippery just because he's really smooth.
Yes. Okay.
You want to hold
Let's
him?
go ahead and, okay, Madison, get in.
Got him.
Oh, Madison.
Go
Okay,
by
wait.
the palm trees.
Okay, here. Okay, here. Okay, go down a little bit. Go down. Okay. All right, let me see him. All right. Okay, are we gonna go ahead and let him go?
Wait.
Okay, just let him go.
Let me hold him.
Wait, okay, just watch.
Roly Poly's by him.
Look at that. He's just letting you sit by him now.
I want to hold him just one more time.
Look at that, Madison. You can, oh. Oh.
Bye, guys.
Oh.
Bye.
He's in his new home. Do you think he loves his new palm tree?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, girls. Say goodbye to Orange Spotty.
Bye, Orange Spotty. We love you. I hope you'll stay there and that's your new home, because we really want to come see you plenty more times, because you are just the beautifulest lizard we've ever seen.
What's up, guys? So I had another appointment today. I know you guys have been wanting another baby update. So I am currently 34 weeks pregnant. I'm gonna actually give Dad a call and check in with him, because I think I might be able to go and pick up the girls. We weren't sure if I'd be able to.
Please say a command. Say a line number, or say none of those.
2. All right, guys, we're gonna let Dad know that I'm close enough I can go pick up the girls from school. My appointment didn't take too long, so.
Hello.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good. So I'm done early. I can go pick up the girls.
That'll work. I was just getting ready.
Okay.
So what'd you find out?
What?
So what'd you find out?
So I forgot to ask about the ultrasounds, but I was asking her about parking when it comes time to park at the hospital. She says it's super easy. And then she also told me
Did
that
they do the valet?
she didn't mention valet, but she says you can either pull up in the emergency side or just the main entrance, and she says they'll take care of the rest of it for you, and they'll tell you exactly where to go. And there is an option that you can she says park right there at the emergency room, and then they'll take care of it for you.
Okay, that'll work, because when we took my truck to your other place, like, it wouldn't even fit in their garage.
Oh, in the parking garage.
Yeah.
And then she says that now I'll go start seeing her once a week. So now I'll be going back every week.
Okay.
So, anyway, but I'm gonna go grab the girls.
Okay. Well, we'll see you in like half an hour then.
Okay,
Alright, love you, bye.
love you, bye. All right, guys, so I gotta get going. It says it'll take me about 14 minutes to get to Madison's school. Anyway, she says baby's looking great, heartbeat's good. She says baby's moving around really good. She actually saw my belly moving. My belly will move like wibble wobble at home, and she actually was able to see it today when she was checking for the heartbeat, so that was pretty cool. But we're getting closer, guys, so I will keep you guys updated. And for anyone who didn't know, the baby's actual due date is July 4th. So I'm hoping baby comes a little sooner, because I don't want a holiday baby. I don't want the baby to have to share his birthday on a holiday with everything else going on. But either way, we will keep you guys updated.
All right, take your seat.
All right, guys, so I am back home from my appointment. What are you doing?
We're just laying in the Lego school.
Lego school bus.
Yeah. Oh no, there's magic sparkles falling on me. I'm transforming. We're in this giant Lego school bus. We did one on my channel and on Madison's channel. Yep. So if you go to one of our other channels, you can see more of us in this giant school bus. But for now, I gotta give you a tour.
Should we give him a tour, Madison?
Yeah.
All right,
this
so
is the driver's seat.
Madison's in the driver's seat right here. Are you even, hey, are you even old enough to be driving? Are you
No,
sure?
you're not. I'm old enough to be driving, so you need to go.
Okay, what else
Take
is
your
there?
seat.
What else, Madison? Show us the rest. Hey, what are these dolls right here?
Candy Kids.
Candy Kids. Hey,
Peppermint, Donatina, Jessie Cake, And marshmallow.
And marshmallow. Okay. What else? What else is cool about this bus, ladies?
What's cool about this bus?
There's lots of windows.
2 doors.
Right here. Oh, it does have 2 doors. It's got one right there.
And right here.
And I see you, Madison.
And I'm here.
Wait, where are you at? There you are.
If you wonder why this part is blue, my dad started making the school bus with yellow, since the school bus is yellow, obviously. And that means we ran out and we had to paint it and make it blue. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the giant Lego school bus. But for now, make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, share notifications. See you guys later. Bye. Giant Lego